How is everyone doing? Fine, I hope. Okay, guys, if you're new here, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, already a part of the Diva family, welcome back, love. I'm Diva Decorating, and today I'm doing a challenge, which is called the Animal Print Decor Challenge. And the host of this challenge is Ant's Place, which is Antoinette, and the co-host is Tammy from Me, Myself, and DIYing It. Now, if you haven't checked out these ladies' channels, please go over and check them out. They do a number of DIYs. They do home decor. I'm sure if you're into that kind of thing, you will love what they have to offer. They are great content creators. Okay, so some of the details for this challenge was to decorate a table, coffee table, fireplace, or shelf with your animal print decor or animal print theme. And you could choose the style that you wanted to. It just had to be an animal print included throughout. Now, some of the rules they wanted were very simple. You must be subscribed to the host's channel. You must mention the host and the playlist in your video. You must include the host's channel link and the playlist link in your description box. You're to title your video Animal Print Decor Challenge. You're to use the hashtag. It's a jungle in here. You are to upload your video on Thursday, July 16th at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And you are to add your video to the playlist, which was the link was already available. And just have some roaring fun. So guys, I'm going to quit rambling on. You got all the rules and the details. I'm going to show you what I came up with. So let's get into it. Okay, loves, so as you can see, I started off my animal print table with a zebra shower curtain. Okay, this is a shower curtain, and I purchased this from Family Dollar a couple of years ago. So this is what my theme is for my animal print challenge. And over here at the place setting, I just have this faux fur, and it's in the color of, it has a lot of grays in it, it has some blacks in it, and it is so soft, and I'm using that for my placemat. And these are a DIY. I have one on this side, and I have one on the other side, which I will show you in a few minutes. And my table is set for 4. And for my charger here, it is a charger from the Dollar Tree, which was gold, and I spray painted it white because I couldn't find any in white at my Dollar Tree. And I think that came out absolutely gorgeous. And my plate set here is also from the Dollar Tree, which I already had. This table is a no spin, so it is very affordable if you need some ideals for an animal print tablescape scheme. And I have this matching shower curtain napkin that is also a DIY. I had two of these curtains, two of these panels, so I just took that other panel and made napkins out of it. And I have my white bowl here, also from the Dollar Tree. And that is how my place setting is looking. And I have the silverware from the Dollar Tree as well. Right here I have my knife and spoon that is making a X design. And on the other side I have my fork. Now my glassware here is the smoky glass from the Dollar Tree, and also the smoky glass in black from the Dollar Tree, the wine glass as well. And there I have a black paper napkin, also from the Dollar Tree. Now on this side, the place setting is different. I don't have the faux fur on there, and I chose not to put the faux fur on there because I have this black runner, which I have been using quite a lot in my last Tablescape videos, and I am liking this black runner. And this is black on one side and a buffalo check on the other side. Now I'll show you that. And I purchased this from Big Lots about a year ago maybe. So I wanted to show this black runner. So for the center of the table, I didn't choose to put the faux fur. And over here, I have my straw holder, which is not a straw holder. It's actually a come from Home Goods, and it's just a white soap dispenser that I'm using for a straw holder. And that design print on there, I did that myself, and I did that maybe a couple of years ago. And I also have the gems on there as well. I was using it for holding my reed diffusers in. And over here, I just have my black candle, which is from a store called Ollie's that we have here. And if you can see that, this is the faux fur that I'm using on the other side. Now, let's go to the centerpiece. For my centerpiece base, I am using a mirror. Get around here so you can see. This is a 4x4 mirror that I've had for years. I picked these mirrors up from Home Depot years ago, and I just added some bling around them. I have used them for many, many projects. And I have this Mercury vase right here. This vase came from Home Goods. I'm going to see if I can get a price for you. No, I don't have a price on it, but it's called the Diamond Star Corporation, but no price on that. Sorry about that, guys. And I just have some faux greenery in here that I already had as well. Okay, and holding the fort down, it's a jungle in here, is my silver blinged out elephant. This elephant came from Burlington a couple of years ago, and it was a dull silver, and I had spray painted it, and I also added these little mirrored pieces on here. I also added the mirrored pieces going along the trunk and on the other side of the trunk, and also on the ankles of the elephant. Hoofs, ankles, I don't know what they call y'all. Y'all know what they are. Okay, and in here, I just embellished it with some gold, some gold glitter and some silver glitter. I thought that was real pretty, and I added these gems all on it. And he is holding down the centerpiece, y'all. He is the jungle elephant. And that's how my tablescape came out. I'm really loving this tablescape. I hope you got some good ideas from it and some inspiration. Loves, if you're not a member of my channel, I hope that you'll hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. It's free. It doesn't cost you anything. You'll get glam DIYs, videos, room tours, shopping and Dollar Tree hauls, and much more. I want to thank the host, Antoinette of Ant's Place, and the co-host, Tammy, of Me, Myself, and DIYing It for this invite challenge. I love animal print, and I'm a Leo, so I had a roaring good time. Until next time, guys, bye-bye, my loves.